Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning into a wig tutorial. Y'all, I laid this wig down. Y'all ain't never seen me do nothing like this. Like, I didn't even think I had it in me to do something like this, but I had it in me to do something like this, if that made sense. Look at how I slayed this wig, y'all. I couldn't even see on the side, so this part right here might be like, it's not curling, like it's not going in a circle, because y'all know I can't see, and going on this side I can't see. So if y'all do this on y'allself, tell me how can y'all see on the side. I saw this, that edge, baby, I laid it down, y'all. I want y'all to see everything step by step, and I want to thank Y&Y Hair for sponsoring this video today. They sent over this wig, and when I tell you, it melted so good. Like, y'all, I don't even need no filter. Normally I have filters, but the way that I laid this wig down, the products that I used to lay this wig down, wig is going to be staying on. Like, this is the best lay down. I don't even have to go to a professional no more. I don't even have to go to a professional no more. I don't even have to go to a professional no more. I could do it myself, okay? And if I want this style, I could do this style. It ain't nothing but a chicken wing. What? Yeah, I snapped. I snapped on this. Do you see the melt though? Okay, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, y'all, and I want y'all to be obsessed with me. So if y'all want to see how I got this and laid this wig down, really not a hairstylist, but I know like how to lay something down. The styling, I definitely am a beginner at that. Like, I don't even style wigs like that, and for me to do this, y'all, it's beginner friendly for me because I look at what people do and I mimic it. I can get it just like this. I'm not a hairstylist, but baby, call me hairstylist Bree today because I slayed. So anyways, I don't want to keep y'all long. If y'all want to see how I achieve this wig down, I gotta keep on watching. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and today we about to slay a wig. And this wig, Y&Y Hair sent this over, and baby, the tutorial is about to be bomb. But this is what they sent over in the box. They sent the edge brush, a wig band, also a wig cap and lashes, and this is the wig right here. This is a 13x6 full lace deep wave wig in 26 inches, and y'all, it came pre-bleached and also pre-plucked. Look at that lace, y'all. I knew I was gonna melt it down, and especially with the new products that I got, y'all, it was over with for this. This wig is about to get sick of me. So let's go ahead and put this wig on. Now, I went ahead and put the caps that they sent me over, and I had to go ahead and do it twice because once I put it on the first time, I kind of messed up, but that was on me. I need a blow dryer, y'all. I'm thinking about looking into the Dyson blow dryer, so I'm going ahead and get that, but until then, I had to use my fan. But I went ahead and sprayed some gas to be glue onto this wig cap, and go ahead and make sure y'all are securing the edges on the ear tab part so that they won't come up, and also cut off the excess. This is the second time of me doing it, and that lace, well, sorry, not the lace, the wig cap is laid, y'all. This is a new product that I got. This is red, I think Kisses, Ruby Kisses. I don't know if this Ruby Kisses or not. Let me actually go check. This is actually Red by Kiss lace tinting spray in the shade medium brown, y'all, and I am so glad that I got this because even though I did secure my laces down like in past tutorials, I needed a lace tint and I didn't know which one to pick. I wanted to be supplied. I'm like, I gotta get some stuff in my wig, and I grabbed that. So I'm glad that I got it. I sprayed the lace with that, and y'all, look at this foundation of the wig. I cut the tabs as well, and then now I'm just putting on some glue from Hair by Erica J, and I just basically put 2 coats on. That is it. That is all. I went ahead and waited till it was dry and laid that lace down. So make sure that you are putting the tip of where the hair starts onto the beginning of the glue. Go ahead and take your comb and press it down. I did make 3 areas with 3 sections to actually cut off the lace, and that worked for me. So if y'all seen, I cut the first part. It was kind of hard for me to get in camera because I don't have a mirror in front of me, but I did prop my mirror up, and look at this lace. Look at how it came out, y'all. I am so glad that I got this lace today because it melts into my skin to the T. Now this one is going to seal the deal. This is Bleached lace melting spray, y'all, and maximum hold, and this is going to melt your lace down, y'all. I did not know about none of these products, but I'm getting back into these wigs, and trust me, wigs is about to be laid. Now, y'all, it was hard for, I know I keep saying y'all, but I can't help it. It was hard for me to do this, kinda, because I couldn't part it how I wanted, and I should have just parted it off camera on the wig stand before I put it on my head. But I was like, you know what? I got this, and I got this. I just can't see at the back. Nonetheless, I conquered this wig, and y'all, it ate. Y'all won't see. So I went ahead and sprayed some Got2b glue spray wax onto my hair, and I started to part even more to try to get it as straight as possible. Now I know you see some areas that are like kind of sparse. I did not pluck it. I told you the wig was pre-plucked and pre-bleached already, so I didn't even have to do that. So maybe it came from the lace tint of sticking through, or it might have came from when they pre-bleached it. As I'm still struggling to get this part right, I'm going to get it right, y'all. I just needed it to be as crispy as possible, y'all, because baby, I don't play when it comes to my part, especially my middle part. Like, it has to be crispy. So this is how it's looking so far. I did go ahead and take the tip of the comb and try to get any areas that I seen that had hair on it. So now this is the edge area. I'm going to go ahead and pluck it because it was already too thick for my likings, and I want to go ahead and cut this at an angle. Make sure you cut it a little bit longer, because even though it's going to be shorter as you go, you still want to curl it, so make sure it's long. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the edge, the ear tab area, and I'm going to go ahead and make it round, like kind of curve it round, because I like it that way. I don't like going straight. I like going round when it comes to the ear tab part. Also go ahead and pluck it because it was too thick for my likings, and let's go ahead and cut this at a slant. I did go ahead off camera too and curl it, but I curled it under instead of over. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my infamous Got2b glue ultra glue gel. Okay, this is the black tube, and I love it. I know some people use different things. I don't want my baby hairs that soft at the moment because I don't know how to do that. So I like working with Got2b glue, the gel, to lay down my baby edges, my baby hairs. So as you can see, I swooped it. I put the gel down, and as I swooped, I pressed the hair down and swooped as I went. And then I also went ahead and cut any extra excess hair that I didn't need. Then I'm going to take the comb that they sent me, the edge brush. I used the brush part, and also use the comb to kind of merge the edges into the back part of the hair. And then I'm going to do the same for the ear tab. Now this is always hard for me to do the ear tab, y'all, because I can't see for nothing. Even though when I'm up close I still can't see, because I wanted to make that circle and I couldn't. So it's like a U almost, but I got it to where it needed to be. Okay, but I would really be wanting that circle, and I just couldn't see, and then make my eyes hurt and head hurt. Like that'd be the worst. So I went ahead and sealed the deal with some Got2b glue spray, and y'all, it ate. Now the secret that Erica Tate showed us a long time ago when his stuff got leaked is to use this hair dye. What is this? It's like a pen. So use this hair dye pen to make your part straight instead of that spray when y'all be spraying it on. Girl, get you some of that and your part is gonna be crispy. Now, do y'all see that install? Do y'all see that install? I did not come to play. Now I'm gonna go ahead and secure the lace even further with this Y&Y hair band, and I went right off camera to do my makeup. Y'all, not even gonna flex, my wig install ate down. Like, I feel like this is one of my best wig eat downs, like one of my best wig installments. Like, do y'all see how I did this edge and this side? Like, what? Are you serious? I'm looking at my viewfinder. All right, y'all, so this is wet and wavy, but you can style this so many ways. This is the way I wanted to style it. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. You can also put this in a ponytail. I just wear it. You can put a ponytail like this. It don't have the strings, so this is how the back is, but you could put this in a ponytail if you wanted to. If I had a clip, I would have clipped right there and do that, but right now I'm just gonna go ahead and lay it flat on my nape area, and then we're gonna go ahead and water this down. And then look at the wig, y'all. Look at the installment. Look at it. Look how it melted. And I finally got a lace it to the point where I don't even need like no foundation. Like everything just melted. Like those new products that I got, cause it was time. Like, oh my god, I'm in love. Anyway, let's go ahead and wet this. Y'all, look at these curls. Back up. Look at these curls. I don't never like face frame it or nothing. I just keep it the same so y'all can see exactly how it looks. Ain't no way I just slayed this like this. Like, I just styled this like so good. The products be having me in my zone. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Shea Moisture Curl Styling Cluster. It's giving me very much Raccoon City vibes. So this is how this one looks. This looks so good. I look so sexy. I'm gonna let this dry down a little bit more. Also go ahead and hot comb this, y'all, and I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. All right, y'all, so I literally went ahead and hot combed the rest. Look at this. Girl, I ain't never slayed no wig like this. Please. I must say the quality of this wig is everything. Like, from the lace to the texture of the curls, y'all. Like, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Thank you so much, Y&Y Hair, for sponsoring this video. Y'all, this is my first time trying them. I never tried them before. Texture is off the chain, like I said. Curls is bomb. I can wet it and put some curl moisturizer in it, or like some curl cluster cream in it, and go about my day. I love these type of wigs, like these wet and wavies, but then just adding like your specific style to it. Like, it could be a ponytail, like at the top, or it could be like middle part, side part. It don't even matter. The wig eats down. Like, and the way that I laid this wig, y'all, this is the best wig that I ever laid down. Like, are you kidding me? Like, laced down. Okay, it came pre-plucked. Like, I really didn't have to do anything to this wig but take it out the box and just put my own style to it. Like, oh, it just eats. I can't stop looking at the viewfinder, y'all. Like, it eats so bad. You will not be disappointed. I promise you. I promise you. Okay, and if you follow every step that I did in this video to achieve this look, it's up from here. It's up from here. Okay, wigs, if y'all want to do y'all wigs, let me know, because I'll definitely do them. Comment, Bree, do my wig down in the comment section below. And I'll do y'all wigs. But until then, I'm gonna see y'all on my next wig tutorial.